Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to go over some of the new products that I am trying out. I know I got some questions on my IG page about certain things that I use, but I did purchase a few new products, and I just want to go over those products with you guys. All here is actually a glue aid. It's by Lash Box LA, and what the glue aid does is it helps with humidity. So let's just say if you're lashing and you just can't get your humidity right in the room, in the environment, this will actually help with curing your glue while you're lashing. So you just take an applicator, you dip it in there, and then what you do is you put it on the base of your lashes, whether it's classic or volume lashes. You put it right on the base. You don't have to put a lot. You just put a little bit, dry it, and it should help with curing your glue while you're lashing. So I've been using this for a little bit, and it really seems to help. I can honestly say that it does help. So if you guys need help with your lashing and the humidity while you're lashing, this is a good product to use. Glue Aid by Lash Box LA. I will leave a description in my description box and a link where you guys could purchase this, okay? Also, I've been using Ruthie Bell Super Bonders, actually recommended by Lashes by Ken's. And I just actually purchased this. She's actually an international supplier. So depending on where you are located, it may take a while for you to get this product. It actually only took about a week for me to get it, and I'm here in Florida, so it took about a week. I thought it was going to take longer. I was surprised at how quick it actually came. And what you do with the Super Bonder is once you're done with your set, you take an applicator and you just dab a little bit on each eye, and this is supposed to help with retention, to help the lashes last about 30% longer than they normally do. So I've been trying this. I tried this on about 3 or 4 sets, so we'll see how it works out. I actually put some on my lashes. I got my lashes done yesterday, so I will follow up with you guys to let you guys know how that goes as well. So we'll see how long. I mean, normally I'm pretty good with my lashes. My lashes normally last about a month. So and even at a month, I still have a good amount of lashes left. So the last time that I went to do my lashes, which was yesterday, it had been about 4 weeks, and I had a good amount, and I got a refill. So, but I hadn't used this. So I did use it. So we'll see what the retention looks like in about 2 or 3 weeks. I'll do another video just to see what the retention looks like. But this is by Ruthie Bell. It's a super bonder, and it helps with your retention. So if you guys are interested, I'll put the link in my description box as well. You guys can visit her IG page. She also has a new glue that she came out with called Black Matter. Sorry guys, it's actually called Dark Matter. I can't wait to try as well, because that glue is supposed to be the best glue on the market. So we'll see. Now, Stacy Lash actually contacted me on IG and sent me one of their newest line of glue, which is Extra Strong Evolution, and I used it on my last client that I had this Saturday. It comes in this little bottle. It says that the retention time for this glue is 8 weeks. So I used it on her yesterday. She normally comes every 2 weeks for a refill. So we'll see what her retention looks like at 2 weeks with this glue. It's new. I've always wanted to try Stacy Lash. So I tried it, and we'll see how that goes. This is their new glue, and it's supposed to be like, you know, the retention on this is incredible, 8 weeks. And drying time is still 1 to 2 seconds. And like I said, we'll see how it goes. I used it yesterday, and it went pretty good. I do change my glue out every 20 to 30 minutes. So that's a great way to add retention to your client's lashes. Don't use the same glue drop for the entire process, because we know that the process can take anywhere from an hour to 2 hours. So well, even more with volume. So remember to change your glue dots out every 20 to 30 minutes. Remember that glue I was just talking about from Ruthie Bell, the dark matter. According to her, you don't have to switch out that glue. You can actually use that same glue dot for up to 5 hours, I think, something like that, which is amazing. So like I said, I can't wait to try it and do a review on that glue to see what that, you know, what that's all about. But anyways, ladies, that's it. I did want to show you guys, I am starting to prepare my fans before my clients come in. So I did this with my last client, and this will actually be a different video from today, where I will go over pre-made and pro-made fans. I do not use pre-made fans. I absolutely do not use pre-made fans, and I've never used it, but I don't think I'll ever use pre-made fans. I've heard mixed reviews, but it's just not my preference. I rather make my fans myself, and if I can make them prior to my client's appointment, even better. So that's what I did with this client. I made my fans before she arrived so that it could cut down the time a little bit. So, but that'll be a whole nother video. I'll go over pre-made and pro-made fans, so stay tuned for that video. Alright guys, so that was it. Just wanted to go over a few products that I have right now that I'm trying out, and I will do another video and let you guys know what the retention was with the glues and the super bonder. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.